we are with another requested video. You wanted me to try all these fragrances, and today we get to unbox them and I give you my honest first impression. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, because I'm doing great, because it's an unboxing and first impressions video, and you know how I get when it comes to unboxings and first impressions. But today I'm gonna try to keep it average, you know, on a low key, not do too much. I'm gonna try to not do too much and just, you know, be calm and demure and mature, right? Okay. So the first fragrance is Bint Hooran Rose Passion from the house of Zaafaran. You wanted me to try this out, so I went out and I got it. Now, Bint Hooran is the older sister of the OG Bint Hooran, the one that smells like good girl, but that good girl is not a good girl, she's a bad girl. But anyway, this is her younger sister, this sweeter sister, I suppose. So we're gonna unbox this baby together. Now, this particular fragrance has been compared with Yara Candy, that it is smelling a bit too similar, a bit too close for comfort. And we're gonna find out, because we have the two fragrances. There's no problem. If you want me to do a comparison video, I shall do it for you. Okay. Oh my gosh, she's a stunner. She's a runner, she's a track star. Oh my gosh, she can run away when it gets hard. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful and pink and lovely. She seems like she's gonna smell nice. Okay, but I'm just gonna turn all the excitement down, because we are here to impartially smell the juice. Just because it comes in a pretty bottle should not mean that we have to fall in love with the fragrance without trying it. We're not here for the bottle, we're here for the juice. Okay, here we go. Oh, atomizer is beautiful. If you're wondering whether the atomizer, let me just tell you, atomizer is very nice. Okay, it is settling. Can we go in now? I see the semblance, I see the similarity, but it's not a one-to-one. I see why they compared with Yara Candy. Honestly, I see the resemblance, but this is so much softer. Maybe because, of course, this is straight out of the box. Definitely there's going to be a maceration update, a complete full review, but this is less sweet. This is a bit more sour. The souriness, is that a word? The souriness in here comes out way more than in Yara Candy. Yara Candy is like super duper sweet, like super sweet. The sourness in there is not as pronounced as in here. This is sweet, this is fruity, a bit musky, sour. It has something like pear in here. That zingy grapefruit. There's something in here giving it this beautiful blend, this mix, this glue holding it together. Ah, my ladies, this is very sensual. When it comes to date night and you put this on, I know this will only get better, you know, with time, with maceration, it will definitely get better. But this straight out of the box, this is nice. It's light though, so don't expect any concentrated, long-lasting, huge projection and sillage. It might turn into that later, but right now it's super light, it's fruity, it's fresh, a bit of florals. I do not smell any creaminess with this. The original Bint Hooran, the black one, was very, you know, super creamy. This one is not creamy. It's giving fresh. It's giving fresh, fruity, a bit powdery, sour, sweet. Ah, yeah. This is me. This is my kind of fragrance. You already know my weakness. You know I am weak when it comes to fruity, sweet fragrances. I am working on it, okay, you guys? I am working on it. Sorry, not sorry. I'm not working on it. I like what I like. I like this kind of fragrance, and I think it's going to get better with time. But let me just check out the notes and see what we're smelling. So at the top, it has green mandarin and black currant. Okay. At the heart, it has strawberry sweets and gardenia. Oof. Then the base notes are sandalwood, vanilla syrup, musk, and amber. They all blend very well together. They're playing very well. This is sexy. You can wear this on a day. Yeah, this one. Yeah, not gonna be too excited. I promise I was not gonna be too excited. So it's a yes. It's a yes, and it's very affordable. It's very affordable. If you can get Yara Candy, you can get this. It's not the same. It's not the same, but they are similar enough for you to have one or the other. You know, I will do a full comparison video later and a review and a maceration. You know how it goes. But so far, I love it. I love at first sniff. Yup. Now let's go on to Fursan White by Khadlaj. Now Fursan White is supposed to be a milky, creamy, coconutty kind of fragrance. Now you see me, my ladies, I do not like coconuts. Well, except in certain fragrances when they do it very well. When it smells really fresh, you know, like coconut water, that is when I can tolerate it. But in fragrances, coconuts, most times, I do not like it. But I'm going to try this one for you. How will I not do for you? So, Fursan White from the house of Khadlaj is actually said to be an inspiration of the powder vanilla. You know what I'm saying? The vanilla that has the powder in it. And they say it's nice, so we're gonna find out. Oh, bottle is elegant. Oh, rich kid. It's giving rich kid vibes. Look at the gold. I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. I hope it smells good, please God. What is this atomizer now? What is this atomizer? What is this atomizer? Atomizer is S-H-I-T. S-H-I-T, that's the atomizer. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. I beg you, please do not disappoint me. It might get better, but it's not a love at first sniff. It's a complex fragrance, and I'm pretty sure I've not scratched the surface yet. But sometimes first love is true love. What do you think? It's complex. I can smell some spices. I really do not get coconut. I get vanilla. Maybe the coconut will come out more. I get spices. I get florals, I get freshness, a little bit of sweetness, and then vanilla. I do not smell coconuts. And I do not smell anything powdery in here. No powdery notes, nothing like that. A spicy, faint, light vanilla fragrance. I don't even know if it's going here or there. I cannot tell you what direction this fragrance is on. And there's something skanky in there. There's this kind of note that's biting me at the back of my throat here. Something biting me here. Now, I mean, let's check out the notes. You know, let's check the notes. So at the top, it says it has bergamot and jasmine. That combination, the florals and the freshness. At the heart, it has almond, coconut, and musk. I do not do well with almond. And then coconut and musk. Okay. And then the base, it has cedar wood, vanilla, and nutmeg. Hell. There is no wonder that I do not like this. You guys, do you want to see a video on the kind of notes that I truly do enjoy in fragrances and the kind of notes that I cannot stand? I absolutely cannot stand them. Do you want to see a video on that? Because I think coconut is going to be one of those notes. This ain't it. The musk that they put in there must be the one brightening the back of my throat. It's not the kind of musk that we like. It's that kind of animalic, nasty musk. The kind of body musk that you don't want to smell, that smells like a sweating person. The fragrance literally smells like a person's sweat, like someone is sweating, and not in a good way. Not in the delicious, intoxicating, oh my God, a sweaty man. Not that kind, my lady. It's not for me. It may be for you. You might enjoy this, enjoy your fragrance. But for me, I'll come back with a full maceration updates and a full perfume review for you after I've tried it out for a month or two. Definitely, I will come back for you. But right now, It's a miss. Right now, it's not hitting the spot. Right now, it's not doing it for me. It's not doing anything for me. Okay, you guys, please follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram, and then on TikTok. On TikTok is winglady_beauty. And then on Instagram is just winglady_. Follow me if you like. My stories on Instagram are pretty weird though. If you follow me on Instagram and I post a story and it seems a bit weird to you, that's just because that's how I am in real life. I'm actually very weird. I'm a very weird human being in real life. And I'm working on it, but please follow me if you can. If you enjoy the video, please like it, then subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time, you guys, I love you so very much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.